Hey everyone! Today we're plunging into the exciting world of AI and what it means for jobs, featuring insights from none other than Jensen Huang. At a recent AI summit in Mumbai, Huang expressed something quite bold. He doesn't think AI will replace his job. Instead of fearing the rise of machines, he believes that AI will handle significant parts of jobs, but will never fully take over. According to a survey by edX, a staggering 49% of CEOs think their roles could be automated or replaced by AI. That's almost half, folks. But Jensen Huang stands tall against this notion. He insists that while AI might automate tasks, it can encompass the full spectrum of human roles. He said, AI can do a part of the job 20% to 50% better, but it will never replicate the human touch completely. Isn't that fascinating? Here's the twist. Huang believes that the individuals who know how to leverage AI to enhance their productivity will be the ones who stand out. This means you can stay ahead of the game by mastering these tools. Imagine if you could automate your tasks. Scary? Not really. It's more about learning to work alongside AI, making it your assistant rather than your replacement. Now, while many companies embrace the AI shift, just over 20% of workers think they could be replaced. This creates a disconnect that we must address. When Huang talks about the capabilities of AI, he emphasizes collaboration over competition, saying the true danger comes from those who leverage AI for job efficiency. In essence, the person who uses AI to automate that 20% of their job will take your job. In fact, companies like NetDragon have already appointed AI-powered robots as CEOs. It's a bold move. They believe AI can enhance corporate management. Huang, however, remains skeptical about total AI leadership. He firmly believes that critical decisions will always need a human touch. And he's right. Complex decisions often require understanding nuances that AI currently lacks. Speaking of bold moves, did you know Nvidia is now joining the Dow Jones Industrial Average? That's right. S&P Global announced that Nvidia will replace Intel in the DJIA, solidifying its place as a leader in the AI market. Just think about it. Their stocks are soaring, partly thanks to AI-driven demand for their chips, which has jumped 174%. That is the power of being at the forefront of technology. Jensen's meeting with SK Hynix is also noteworthy. He asked them to speed up the production of HBM4 chips because the demand for advanced AI technology is absolutely through the roof. In a recent summit, he mentioned that the need for high-performance hardware is critical as AI continues to evolve. They've got to keep up, and that's a monumental task for chip manufacturers. As we look towards the future, it's clear that AI is creating both challenges and opportunities. Huang maintains that companies need to invest in skills development to keep pace with technological evolution. An astonishing 87% of C-suite executives say that they're struggling to find talent with AI skills. So if you're in tech, upskilling is no longer just a recommendation, it's a necessity. You need to be prepared for what's coming. Huang doesn't just innovate, he inspires. He's passionate about responsible AI regulations and the role countries like India can play in this new landscape. With the right investment and focus on ethical practices, nations can truly embrace the AI revolution and craft themselves into global leaders in technology. How cool is that? What's further fascinating is Huang's viewpoint on collaboration. He stresses we can only harness the full potential of AI by working together, sharing data, and creating a framework that benefits everyone involved. It's about building a community around AI, ensuring that we advance ethically and sustainably. This brings us to a significant point. How does the public view AI? While some are excited, others are skeptical. Huang emphasizes the necessity for transparency in AI so that the public can feel secure about the technology being developed. Trust is key here, and maintaining that will be vital moving forward. As we venture further into this new age of AI, it's critical for us to remain curious and engaged. Explore the possibilities. Imagine if software development could be optimized with AI. It's not just about the technology, but how it can change our approach to problems. The future is bright, and technology is only becoming more intertwined with our lives. And remember, investing in yourself is the most significant move you can make. Embrace the learning curve that comes with AI. Be proactive. Educational platforms are full of resources that can provide you with the skill set you need to thrive in an AI-driven workplace. We all can adapt and succeed. In wrapping up, let's not fear AI, but rather embrace it as a tool to enhance our capabilities. Jensen Huang embodies this spirit, and we should too. Let's embark on this journey together. Share your thoughts below. What are your views on AI's role in the workplace? And don't forget to subscribe for more insights and discussions. I am always striving to improve the quality of our videos to provide you with the best information. I want to create a space where we can all discuss these technologies, share ideas, and learn together. Your feedback is invaluable, so drop your suggestions in the comments. Let's make this a vibrant community where we support each other.